the kids. Yeah.
It's just
Maybe
the kids' food.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ollie, Lucas is not allowed to complain that he's tired.
Well, it's good.
There's a furnace behind you and this guy's blowing glass. So boring. Ten going on 13.
Yeah.
That. Wow.
I'm watching the glass blower. Yeah, come over here by the big glass wall.
That's right. Your Bill, your dad.
Funny, I see that dude at your dad. They look good.
By the way, for me, it's a meditation project.
Yeah,
For me, it's
it's nice.
calming them down.
How hot do you think it is in there, Ollie? How hot do you think it is? Well, pomegranate too? Oh, you're right, that is. You're a smart little girl. She's only 2.
Like an 150.
Oh, yeah, colors in there. See the colors?
Yeah, I know.
Attention Sawdust
We're
visitors.
socializing.
It's wine glass.
Andy,
It's wine glass.
picture coin
Yeah, yeah. God bless you.
on over to Charlie's house.
We went several times before. We don't know the specific time that it looks like that.
Oh, what? Look, I. Look. Oh! Bit of what, honey? It even matches your Hello Kitty. You can see what's in one side.
I love this, baby. The only one, the only had one papaya.
Testing unified. Testing unified.
Papaya is sad. They don't have enough.
Cannot see it.
To the history booth near the front entrance.
Daddy.
Oh, okay.
It's like, look at daddy. It's like, hello. You can see what was
Not one. Which is weird.
And there's like 3 more chances is more likely to complain than if it's like 1 chance.
Yeah.
And then there's 4 more likely to complain.
Unlike all of them.
Your dad?
Whoa. You get our parents in, and then it's 6
Oh.
more to complain.
And then, yeah.
That equals children. Yeah.
Mom does too.
Yeah. And then
And you
all
also?
equal.
Tiacello.
Really, I feel like your mom and Tiacello doesn't complain.
Really?
Yeah, I think they're like easiest.
You think so?
Yeah, when they're like, I don't really like, I'm not really on the tippy toe to like, to please them because they're just kind of like, I don't know, they're like natural and kind of forward without being like, complaining inside.
I think they complain sometimes.
Inside, yeah. They don't show it. Show it, I don't know.
I like that. You want to show it? Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at Kaya, you see that? You melted the little shards of glass too.
gonna
feel the
be
heat?
fishy.